You don't feel broken because life is hard. You feel broken because your dopamine is. You call it laziness, procrastination, burnout. But most of the time, it's simply a brain that's been trained to chase cheap hits all day long. Scroll, swipe, click, repeat. In this video from Inspire Path 2.0, you'll see the 7 biggest signs that your dopamine system is ruined and screaming for a hard reset. If you recognize even one of these in yourself, you're not just a little distracted. You're addicted to cheap stimulation. Let's start. Sign 1. You start your day with a screen. The moment you wake up, your hand reaches for your phone before your feet touch the floor. You tell yourself you're just checking something, but within minutes, you're inside a feed somebody else controls. Your brain learns one lesson: stimulation before reality, and the rest of the day feels flat by comparison. Sign 2. You can't stay on one app. You open one app, then another, then another. You're not looking for anything specific. You're hunting. Your thumb scrolls on autopilot. You don't even remember what you just saw. That isn't boredom. That's your brain searching for the next hit because the last one wasn't strong enough. Sign 3. Real work feels impossible. You sit down to study or work on something that actually matters. Within minutes, you just check your messages, your feed, your notifications. Your brain has been trained to expect instant rewards. Deep work feels like starvation, so you escape. Sign 4. You can't handle silence. No music, no podcast, no video, just you and your own thoughts. If that feels unbearable, if 2 quiet minutes make you reach for your phone, your brain has forgotten how to exist without stimulation. Silence isn't the problem. Your dopamine wiring is. Sign 5. Your mood swings for no reason. One moment you're fine. The next, you're angry, restless, or empty. Because the video ended, the game stopped, the chat went dry. When your brain lives on quick spikes, normal life feels like a crash. You think it's just stress? Often, it's withdrawal. Sign 6. You feel tired after doing nothing. Hours of watching, scrolling, clicking, but no real effort. And still you feel exhausted. Not body tired, brain tired. That's what happens when your nervous system is flooded all day with tiny highs and no real rest. You call it relaxation, but it's the kind that leaves you empty, not restored. Sign 7. Your sleep is destroyed. You tell yourself, 1 more video, 5 more minutes. Then midnight quietly becomes 2 a.m. Your eyes burn. Your thumb keeps moving. Your body is begging for sleep, but your brain is trapped in an endless slot machine of content. You don't just wake up late. You wake up wired, foggy, and already behind. If any of these signs showed up in your life today, your dopamine is not fine. You don't fix this with another productivity app or one motivational video. You fix it by resetting the system. Less cheap hits, more deep effort, less scrolling, more building. In the next videos, we'll break down exact dopamine detox routines and systems you can actually follow. But for now, ask yourself one question. Which sign hit you the hardest? Starting the day with your phone? Constant app switching? Fake relaxation that leaves you tired? Destroyed sleep? Type your answer in the comments and admit it to yourself. That's your first step toward a real reset. And if you're ready to stop letting broken dopamine run your life and start rewiring your brain for focus and discipline, subscribe to Inspire Path 2.0. This is where we build discipline, reset your brain, and install the systems that make you sharper than everyone still living on endless scroll and fake motivation.